In today's episode of Let's Talk About Drones, I'm going to introduce you guys to the whole family. What is going on, guys? My name is Troy, and this is what $4,500 in drones looks like. I've been collecting drones for the last 3.5 years, and I have a little bit of everything here in the collection. So little drones, racing drones, a few photography drones. Let's start off with the first one I've ever purchased. I was traveling to see Kiss and Def Leppard play live, and my friends and I got to the concert early, so we decided to go to a hobby store while we wait, and I saw this little gem, the SD's Proto X. As you can see, it's a little beaten up and I've replaced the battery. But my fascination for little drones has continued with two Cheerson CX-10s, which are the fastest microquads I have ever flown. It's really incredible the speed on these. The Quark, Atom, and Micro HD joined the collection as gifts, and the Proto N, I believe, is the world's smallest drone, so of course it's in the collection. I think the second drone I ever bought is this one right here. I wanted my next drone to be fast, but I wasn't ready for a racing drone. The 200QX is rock solid to fly, and the brushless motors gives this drone a lot of power. My Nano QX is pretty banged up. I learned how to fly acro on this drone, which isn't easy, and the 3-minute flights didn't help. But it did come with FPV goggles, which I could later use on this, my Vortex 250 Pro, which I named Ivy. It's a pretty fitting name, I think. Ivy is unbelievably fast, and she makes large parks seem like tiny backyards. I'm still mastering her power. When Parrot released their line of mini drones, I was really impressed with what they were able to accomplish. Putting the stabilization sensors of a larger platform in a tiny drone is quite an accomplishment. So it makes sense then why I believe their latest offering is the best choice for any beginner. The Nano QX 3D is really tough to fly. I wanted to know how to fly 3D because it seems pretty cool, but it's impossible for me to figure out. The Hubsan X4 is the best FPV drone that uses a 5.8 video transmission instead of Wi-Fi. That leaves me with these three. I think I'm a spark away from becoming a DJI collector. The Phantom 3 is the first aerial photography platform that I ever bought, and I was really impressed. The video, range, flight time, everything on this drone. Taking that up a notch, the Mavic Pro found its way into my collection, offering everything that the Phantom does, but somehow better. And the newest one in the collection is this guy right here, the Mavic Air. I have a lot of great video ideas in the works for this one, so you should subscribe so you can see when those videos come out. Alright guys, I'll be honest with you. I actually spent like twice as much as I thought I have on drones, but that's okay, we have some pretty awesome ones here in the collection. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, I have new videos coming of the Mavic Air. And then comment down below on which drones you have, or comment down below on which drones you would want to have in your collection. And we'll see you guys next time.